Get out of here for me, please. Look.
Oh, yeah, hello.
There. That's it. Ease off a little bit, ease off a little bit, ease off a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go. And back on the gas. There we go. I wonder what he's doing. Although it might not be a he. Could be a she. Or a they. Or a them.
We don't go. We don't go there.
Welcome back, everybody. My name's David. 43 plus years experience as a professional driver. Yes. 1989 when I first became a driving instructor. That was before most of you were even born. We will get gas. Push it down. Indicate right for me. Push it all the way down to the floor. All the way down to the floor. Look where you're going. Look at there. That's it. Ease off a little bit. Yeah. There we go. And back on the gas. There we go.
You did it.
He couldn't pull out for us. He was being overtaken, okay?
Yeah, white car.
That's right. So, their priority, get me to 55 minimum. 65 minimum. Beg your pardon?
Okay.
It's a dual carriageway. Right, shall we do a dual carriageway lesson? Or do you want to do a mock test?
What do you want? Yeah.
I think we should do a dual carriageway lesson. Okay? Driving lesson, not a mock test. Simply because I had to slow the car down and grab the steering wheel then because of that caravan, okay? Now then, just stay here for a second, watching that red car. Right indicator, right mirror, and gas. Push it down all the way to the floor. Get over there. That's it. Keep your foot down. Don't take your foot off it. Keep your foot down. Push it down. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Cancel indicator. Get me to 70. Stay here. 70. 77, 68. That's not like it. 69, 70. Just ease off a millimetre. That's it. Keep up with that red car.
Okay. Let's go.
Excellent. Well done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the sat nav, okay?
Yeah.
So we're adapting the lesson. Now then, needs to be over there, okay? Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left mirror again. Slowly drift over. Cancel the indicator. It doesn't matter if it takes you a quarter of a mile to go from one lane to the next. You must do it very slowly, okay? If you do this on the dual carriageway, we're going home by air ambulance, okay? So we always drift over very slowly. The trick to motorway driving and dual carriageway driving is moving lanes very, very slowly and doing more than enough checks, okay? So it's mirrors, indicate, mirrors, and then drift over nice and slowly. We're taking the next exit off, please. Now then, we're looking for that. Go. Keep on the gas. We can slow down on the slip road. Unless it's a very short slip road. That's it. Follow that solid white line now for me. Off the gas. Start slowing it down. Bringing that speed down. Down. Keep bringing it down. We're going left. Follow that left white line. We're going left at the roundabout, okay? That's it, down. Quick look over there, look where we're going. Quick look over there, look where we're going. Do you see the car coming round?
Yeah.
That's it. Look. Gas. Excellent. Now then, one of my favourite subjects is dual carriageways and motorways.
A few minutes later.
What's the speed limit on a dual carriageway for a car?
70.
70 miles an hour. I'll give you a full talk through on what we can see and what we're going to do about it. How far are we going to be looking ahead of us? How far are we going to be looking ahead?
As far as we can.
That's it. What about how far that way?
No, as far as
we can. left mirror, left indicator now, on the gas. Drive it like you stole it.
Oh no.
Pop your right indicator on.
Okay.
There we go. Look ahead, look in the right mirror. Look ahead, look in the right mirror. Look ahead, look in the right mirror. And if it's safe to move over, that's it, nice and easy. Cancel that indicator. Right, just get used to the speed for a while. This black car in front of us is driving too slowly. Driving too slowly is dangerous, okay? So, are we going to overtake him?
Yeah, but he's
That's it,
overtaking
correct.
himself.
Little bit of gas for me. And mirrors, 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 indicator. Mirrors, 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 mirrors. Drift over, drift, drift, slow, cancel indicator. 65-70. Now then, if you are driving on a dual carriageway or a motorway and you're doing 50 miles an hour, thinking to yourself
Oh, it's
that you're being safe, you're not. Okay? You might not have been in an accident, but I guarantee you, you've caused a lot. Left mirror, left indicator, left mirror, left mirror. Slowly, 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 slowly. That's it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Hardly moving that steering wheel at all, okay? We're only moving 1 millimeter. Yeah? Speed limit, can you see?
Yeah.
That's it. Get me down to 50. And there's a sign there telling you there's a slip road. That's it. Look, is anybody in the outside lane? Is anybody in the outside lane?
No.
That's it. So do we need to move over?
Not really, but
No, then stay there. If we don't need to move over, that's it.
it was fine.
There was no need, was there? No?
Yep.
If there's nobody there, then we don't move over. We're doing 57 and a 50. Get that speed down for me, and the speed trap over there. Slow it down. Everybody's just seen the police car, and now off the brake now. That's it.
Oh, that's why they slow down.
I think, yeah, unless there's something going on. It's normally 45, 50 along here.
Or we picked the wrong day to be on a motorway.
Perfect day, busy day. Caravans, trucks, that's it. Just keep an eye on him, can you see him?
Yeah, I think he wants to go in front of me.
Yeah, well,
I mean, he has space.
yeah. You always leave it, unless road markings or signs say otherwise, leave it till the end, and then it works like a zip at the end, okay? Lots of people, they'll queue up in the left lane, leaving a completely perfect right lane completely empty. And you'll get some people moving into the middle to stop people using the outside lane when it's there for a reason. If it's there, use it, and then merge in turn at the end. Little bit of gas now, keep up with that little black car. See him?
Yep.
So they're all queuing up on the right there, look. 2 lanes into 1. Stay behind that black car. That's it. So we're back up towards 50 for me. No more than 50 until we see a different speed limit, okay? Can you see a different speed limit?
The lower one.
That's right, so there, down. If it's in a red circle, it's mandatory, it's the law. Do 40 for me, please. It is illegal to do over 40. You're doing 42. I wonder what he's doing. I wonder what he's doing.
Yeah, he's going with 20.
Yeah.
100%.
I wonder what he's doing. And I wonder what he's doing. Although it might not be a he. Could be a she. Or a they. Or a them.
We don't go. We don't go there.
Now then, look at the signs. What signs can you see?
National speed limit.
That's right. So,
Take these.
3, 2, 1. What does that P sign there mean?
Parking.
That's right. If there's any vehicles in there, keep an eye on them. Keep on the gas. Just keep an eye on them. Look for any movement whatsoever, okay? There's no movement on that little blue car there. We're taking the next exit off. Just in case somebody does something silly and just pulls out on us, yeah? Keep on the gas. Keep on the gas. We don't slow down on the dual carriageway. We slow down on the slip road.
Okay. Let's go then.
There are times when you have to slow down on here, but if it's not necessary, we don't do it, okay? That's it. So, 3 marks.
Okay.
That's it. Follow that solid white line. Stay at the speed. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Follow that solid white line. Look at the length of that slip road. It's beautiful. Now you slow down. Okay? What are we going to do now?
Slow down.
That's right. So at the end of this particular slip road, there's a junction, okay? We're going to go right at the junction, then immediately left, back down onto the dual carriageway. Now then, I know this junction, okay? You can't see what's coming from the left, so just come to a stop for me, or nearly, okay? Centre mirror, right mirror, indicate right, close to the right white line if we're going right. So you see that sign over there? We're going down there, okay?
Oh, down there.
That's it, but we're joining this junction first here. Follow that paint round there for me. Nice and slow. Looking left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. And hold it there. Okay. It's up to you if you go before him.
Why?
No, too late.
It should have gone when he was there. Okay. Oh, should I go a bit further? No?
We have no option. Just stay here for a second. 3, 2, 1, on the gas now. Go. And left mirror, left indicator. Join the dual carriageway for me, please. Do you want help with it?
If I do something wrong, just tell me.
Okay.
Don't let me.
Okay. Don't take your hands off the steering wheel. Nice, well done.
Oh, my heart was pounding. Okay.
Right, what are we going to do about him?
We're gonna overtake, yeah?
Go on in. Slowly, lots, that's it. Brilliant. Keep an eye on that parking area up there, see it?
Yeah.
No movement, so he's not going to move out. Wait, stay here. Wait until you see him in that mirror there, then left mirror, then indicate, then left mirror, then drift over, nice and slowly. You've got to wait until you can see them in that centre mirror, okay? That way, you know you've left enough gap, yeah? Because you don't want to pull in right in front of him, but leave a nice big gap, yeah? We're taking the next exit off, please. 65 cent. Stop driving like a...
Like a what?
I don't know, I've got to be careful in case I upset some people.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like somebody too slow.
Okay.
Driving too slowly can frustrate people behind you and it can cause an accident. It's dangerous. You must keep up with the flow of traffic. So, we're taking the next exit off, please. When are we going to slow down?
Oh, when we're there.
That's right, when we're on the slip road. Occasionally, some slip roads are quite short, yeah? In that case, then you're going to have to slow down on the dual carriageway. But if you can not slow down on the dual carriageway, that's what we do. Nice indicating. So at the end of the slip road there's a roundabout. We're going to go right. It's third exit, please. Right at the roundabout. Because at the end of the slip roads, sometimes they're junctions, sometimes they're roundabouts. That's it. We're going right. Roundabouts.
Third exit. Yes.
And sometimes there's nothing, it's just a road.